You want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start it. Okay, ready?
Here it goes.
Okay, now open the rest. You gotta rip it, Charlie. You want me to help you, Luke? Oh, wow, Charlie, what'd you get? Okay, Luke, open that. What'd you get, Charlie? What is that? Fire engine book. What's that? Who is that?
Spider-Man book.
A Spider-Man book, hooray! And look, you know what that is? Monster truck. Oh, that's pretty cool. There's illustrations. What'd you get? What is that, Luke? Oh, you found a book? The dump truck book? Wow. You like that book? Can you say thank you, Aunt Mary? Thank you, Uncle Ming? Say thank you.
Charlie, look right here and say thank you.